The onion has come a long way from its roots in Bronze Age settlements some 7,000 years ago, and has become a fundamental ingredient in cuisines worldwide. Onion M have developed industrial-scale automatic onion peelers to speed up the peeling process and to accommodate for the current levels of consumption.
This machine can cut up to 50 onions per minute, and when processing is finished, can be easily cleaned with water in 20 minutes. If these machines are used efficiently, they can greatly increase the speed of processing onions.
Their latest model, the 201, released this year, using the same peeling mechanism, can peel 7,200 onions per hour, or up to 8 tons per day. The machine works by cutting the base of the onion with a coring mechanism. The onion is then placed on rollers, which rotate, creating a centrifugal force, and is then blasted with compressed air to remove the outer layers of onion skin. The machines can be used in applications ranging from restaurants to large-scale food processing plants. DigInfo News.